What's going on, you guys? It's Matthew from Cross Jeep once again. So today I'm going to bring you guys something a little bit different. I'm not going to be showing you guys one of our brand new deals. I'm not going to be showcasing one of our cars. I'm actually going to be showing you how to use one of the coolest features inside of y'all's Rubicons. So I'm going to be showing you guys today how to use your off-road capabilities. Alrighty, so first things first, let's go ahead and turn the car on. Secondly, let's go ahead and buckle up. Alrighty guys, now that we are here at Cross Jeep's one and only test track, it's time to show you guys how to use those off-road features. Alrighty, now that we have our sway bar disconnected, we have our rear lockers locked up, and we are in 4 low, it's time to hit these trails. So, once you guys hit that off-road plus button, you guys will be brought over to your off-road pages. And so once you're over here, what it's going to show is how much you are leaning on your Y and your X axis, aka your pitch and roll. As you can see right here, all 4 of our tires are currently touching the ground with our sway bar disconnect. And the crazy fact is, we are on a very, very unleveled surface. So, right here is a perfect example. So this tire is sitting right where it would normally sit because the tire doesn't have to come down anymore, and it doesn't have to scrunch up at all. Now, if we keep going down over here, you kind of see how this tire is drooped on down. The whole reason that it's done that is because it wants to make sure that you have all 4 wheels on the ground at all times. That way you have the best possible traction whenever you're on those trails. Alrighty, so right now we are back in drive and we are hitting this trail once again. I'm not stepping on the gas, my hands are off the wheel. I mean, you don't really have to do a whole lot. So what it's actually doing is it is gauging to see what's your pitch, what's your roll, how fast you need to go over to clear this obstacle, how much we need to slow down because we're going on a decline. It's a really, really cool function within the Jeeps. Now, we are in a Rubicon 392. We got a lot of power in this bad boy. So we're about to be able to clear these rocks, no issues. Why? Because we have our sway bar disconnect, we have our rear lockers, and we are in our off-road plus mode. Go ahead and give you guys a view of us going over these rocks. As you can see right there, I'm not just talking about a couple pebbles, like we're talking about some big boy rocks. Easily, look at that. Not even struggling. My foot is off the gas pedal, you guys. I'm not giving this any gas at all. You guys can see we're going less than 10 miles an hour. Alrighty. And now we are going over our tree logs. Once again, literally no issue whatsoever. No foot on the gas. No nothing. Piece of cake. That, my friend, is the power of a 392 Rubicon. Now, right here, we have our final task. You have the Jeep Cross Hill of Truth. Now that we are lined up, ready to go and hit the hill of Cross Jeep, let's go ahead and take a look at our pitch while we're going up this bad boy. So, once again, I've not been putting my foot on the gas at all. But this is going to be a little bit of a different circumstance. Actually, I'm not even stepping on the gas at all. Look at this, guys. Not at all. Just straight powering over this hill. Now that we are over, just ease on the brake. Easy peasy. Now that you guys have completed our Cross Jeep test track, let's show you guys how to go back into your regular driving modes. Alrighty guys, so once again, we are going to start off in parked, and then we are going to put the foot on our brake and go into neutral. We want to go into neutral because we want to shift back into 4 high. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are now in 4 high, and as you can see right there, it's already unlocking that rear locker once again. And if it doesn't do it fast enough, you can always hit this button right there. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and reconnect our sway bar. So you're just going to tap that button right there. And as you can see, it's going to start blinking, indicating that the sway bar is starting to reconnect. Once we are back into drive, that should eliminate the blinking of your sway bar and your rear lockers. As you can see, we are perfectly fine to go cruising down the road once again. If you guys want to stay up to date with all the latest Jeep news, all the latest cars, all of our crazy deals, and ultimately how to use those functions inside of your Jeep, give me a follow on YouTube at Jeepin' with Matt. If not, go ahead and come on down across Jeep, ask for Matthew, and I'll be glad to help you guys.